Welcome. In the next few minutes, we will explore how a small beginning can grow into something extraordinary. This journey starts with $500, a modest amount. But the question is, where do you begin? We start with the basics: stocks, digital assets, and small business ventures. Always starting small and growing steadily. Take a breath and let's begin. $500 may seem small, but can it grow into 500,000? Let's explore how. Many people struggle with one simple question: where should I invest? This is the roadmap. The real secret is not luck. It lies in smart decisions and good timing. And don't worry, we will move step by step. This is your starting point. A $500 money bag. With smart choices, this small start can transform into something meaningful. The options are many: stocks, crypto, or an online business. Opportunity exists everywhere if you know where to look. Month 1 is about micro investments. Every dollar matters. Small stocks, digital assets, freelancing, simple beginnings. These early steps create momentum for the future. The first milestone is clear: turn 500 into 5,000. Month 2 focuses on growth. Reinvest what you earn. As you reinvest, your portfolio begins to expand. Diversification reduces risk and improves stability. Here, patience is more powerful than speed. Month 3 is about reinvestment. Your money starts working for you. Multiple income streams enter the picture: courses, ebooks, digital products. More streams mean stronger growth. Profits are not spent. They are recycled into opportunity. This is how small capital becomes large capital. Your mindset shifts from consuming to building. Smart decisions today shape tomorrow. Stay focused. The destination is clear. Month 4 is the scaling phase. Systems begin to work even when you rest. What works is expanded. What doesn't is removed. Online stores and digital products lead the way. Small wins create strong momentum. Growth becomes exponential. Earnings flow back into smarter investments. This is controlled expansion. Month 5 arrives. The big leap begins. Calculated risks bring meaningful rewards. The true driver is reinvestment. 500 to 50,000 was only the beginning. Let's reflect. Start small. Invest wisely. Reinvest consistently. Patience outperforms shortcuts. Now, it's time to act. Financial freedom begins with movement. $500 has potential. Trust the process. Every step has value. Momentum creates opportunity. Your story starts today. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Dream big. Begin small. The right choices change everything. Courage opens doors. Your future is shaped by today. Rewards come to the patient. Let money work for you. Discipline builds wealth. 500 to 500,000 is possible. Consistency wins. The path is challenging, but achievable. The journey begins now. Your seed can grow. The power is in your hands. Start today, not tomorrow. Your potential is limitless. Take control of your future. Don't wait. Begin. Your journey to $500,000 starts with one decision.